James from Gabion Consulting, doing a quick tutorial on walls and windows. So we have here from a client, a builder that wants to build a 4-bedroom low set house, and he's drawn it up for us, a sketch, and he wants it to be 185 square meters, or roughly, and this is the image that he has given us. So starting a new project, our Gabion Consulting shared files. If we go to all working files, we've got the spec house that's 17.5 meters, the frontage. So we're going to copy that, start a new one, and we'll make this 12. So the builder has a 12 square meter by 40 something long. So this will be our template. So we'll go in and open that file. And in a previous tutorial we've done keyboard shortcuts, and this is important because, as you'll see, we will be using this. So we are currently in, expand the views, we are in ground floor 1. So we're going to delete all of this. This is the previous house that we have received. Delete. Okay. And then this is our clean floor plan view. And you can have a look in the 3D view. Our roof is still there, hasn't deleted. And it's all of our electrical components. So if we go back to our, we should clear this. And delete the trees too, that driveway, and we can reuse this or edit it accordingly later. So if we go back to our ground floor plan, we could either click here wall, or we can type WW as a keyboard shortcut. And these are different wall types. We can go into another tutorial later on how to edit these. But for now, the builder, he wanted 70mm frame with the 110 brick, so 230. And as we can see here, that's on the right orientation. So this is again the view that the builder's given. So 6.1 by 60 is external for the garage. So again, if we click wall or hit WW, we can go 6160. There. 6460 is the up. And these are typical dimensions. You could probably scale it or work it off there. We don't have a dimension for that return. Let's go 1200 for now. And the parameters was the 185 square meters for the whole house. So we can massage this later. 13630 is that one? 13630. So we don't have that dimension. We can 6160 plus 3 meters. What is that? 9.2 meters. 9260. 9260. And that goes all the way with perhaps a 1 meter return. Go that way. And then you can use the TR command, trim, and that's that. So again, that was, if you hit WW, that'll give you a wall command. If you hit DR, that's our keyboard shortcut for door, and you can change the doors. If you want an 820 door, you can change that there. And you can press spacebar to toggle how you want that to be inserted. So again, if you want to put a garage door to the front, hit DR, and then you look for our panel lift door. It's 21 by 40. Insert that there. So because our parameters is the 185 squares, you can draw a floor, or you could adjust in the shortcuts FF for floor, and we'll go into these types in another video, but you can click pick walls and that will snap it. We'll see how it's snapped into the core. Unclick that, hit that again. Oops, not gonna like that. Pick face, you can pick the face, and this is going to give us an area with which we can work from, and this will be the slab for the house. So once we hit enter, we can see, oh, perfect, 185 square meters, 0.9. So you could even bring that in just a smidge or adjust accordingly. The builder wanted roughly 1 meter. It's got 1.8. If we brought that forward, it would bring the square meters up, because if we're extending that area, so that wouldn't be good. So then this is the part where we start fiddling, we start playing to add all these walls. So yeah, I'll first go 3 meters by 4. So again, you can hit floor or FF, and then you can draw. This is the floor. You can either visually see it there. So 3 meters this way, 4 meters the other way. You can click it, or you can click it, and then you can move this. Hit MM for move, or yeah, or you can manually drag it and then set the 3 meters. There's a few ways to do it, and once you've done, you can click enter. And that's our alfresco porch. So yeah, so that's how we draw this. We can also draw walls in WW, and we'd choose the stud wall coming from here. And then, so if the bedroom's 3 by 3, or I don't know if there's a robe. Oh, there is a robe. So you might make that 3600, and then it comes up. If that's a 3 meters plus 70, so that'll be 6 meters 70, 60, 70, and then the return. Oops, I want the return that way. If you hit EX, extend, you can click that face and then click that, and that will extend the wall to there. So that's it for now. Walls and doors. Again, DD or DR, sorry, DR. You can put a front door if you want, entry solid type, and then you can put the front door there. So thanks for watching, and until next time.